What's up YouTube? Let's take a look at PACMAN ROM for Android One. So I have been using this ROM for the past 3 days and I was forced to make a review today. I will talk about that later. So first of all about the performance of this ROM. Guys, this is the smoothest ROM that I have ever used in my device. This is way much smoother than CRDroid, CM12 and Paranoid Android. You guys can see that how smooth this is. I'm using Nova Launcher, but you guys can see how fast it loads each and every applications. This is one of the fastest ROM that you can get for your Android one. So this ROM is based on CM12.1 Beta 3 and it's beta 2 version of PACMAN ROM. This is the latest build, and what makes PACMAN ROM different is that it combines the tweaks of Paranoid Android, AOKP as well as Cyanogen into one custom ROM. So let's take a look at these custom features or these tweaks. So if you jump into settings, you can see under personalizations you have pack settings. Under pack settings you have all the customizations that you can do for this ROM. First of all, you have animation controls. Under animation control, you can control each and every activity of your phone. You can control the scroll animation, scroll out animation, the animation for opening app, closing app and everything. You can customize each and every part of your system and each and every part of your animation. The default value for this animation duration is 15 milliseconds. I have reduced it to 10 milliseconds because reducing it to 10 milliseconds will make it look like much more faster. So guys, there are many features that you can customize under animation controls, and I will not be going through each and every features because it consumes a lot more time. So going into the next customization setting, that is app bar. You can first set up the app bar content, that you can select each and every application that you want and just give save. It will save the apps in the sidebar. After saving, you can also customize the app bar triggering positions, the transparency and trigger position, trigger width and trigger height. You can customize each and every part of this app bar. What this app bar does is that it makes multitasking more simple. It will switch between each apps really fastly and really smoothly. So this is a really nice feature to have, and you can have many apps in this site tray. So this is a very nice feature to have, and this is only available in PAC-ROM. So under buttons, you can customize every aspect of your buttons, of your navigation buttons. So you can have a left-handed mode, which when you tilt your device in landscape mode will get your navigation bar in the left side of your device. So you can have arrow keys while typing, that is arrow keys in the navigation bar for easy selection of words. So it's a very nice feature to have. And also you can customize the layout of each and every navigation buttons. There is also navigation ring targets built into this ROM, and there are a ton of customizations under buttons. You can have long press action, double tap action, short press action, and every customizations under this buttons menu. You can also control the music that you are playing using the volume keys, and it's a very nice feature to have in this ROM. So another very nice feature in this ROM is the gesture anywhere. This is a really nice feature. First of all, you need to add the gestures for each and every app. I have added gestures for WhatsApp as well as Facebook. So I'll show you guys now these gestures. You can just swipe from the left side of your screen, or you can customize the trigger position of your screen of this gesture anywhere. So when this screen comes on, you can just draw the word or draw the uh, gesture that you have set for opening each and every app. You guys can see that drawing this symbol will take me to Facebook, and drawing W will take me to WhatsApp. So this is a really nice feature to have, and it is a very easy way for multitasking. And you can also customize the trigger width, trigger position, and trigger height of this gesture screen. So under lock screen, you don't have much to customize here. You can customize the lock screen shortcuts, the two shortcuts that are shown in your lock screens, and you can have an application, activity, contact, direct dial, and some other bunch of features as shortcut from your screen. And you will also have the display music visualizer, which will display a visualizer on your lock screen while playing a music. So these are the only customizations that you get under lock screens. Under notification drawer, you get the normal customizations for notification drawer, such as the quick pull down, that is pulling from the right will take you to quick toggles, and pulling from the left will take you to the notification area. Um, and you can also disable the notification bar on a lock screen. I will show you guys now. So now you cannot access the notification bar from the lock screen. So that's a really nice feature. You can also have a smart pull down feature in this ROM, and you can also have the task manager in your notification drawer. So toggling on this feature will allow you to have your task manager in your notification bar. You can find a symbol here, that is a task manager symbol here. Just tapping in it will take you to your task manager, from which you can kill each and every applications that are running now, which is a very nice feature to have. And you can also select and order the tiles, that is the quick toggles that are shown here. And you can also hide or unhide the brightness slider, which is shown in the notification drawer. I tend to leave that on. And there are also advanced location settings and show 4 tiles per row, which will show you 4 tiles per row, which is also a very nice feature to have. So under notifications, you don't get much to customize. You only can customize the heads up notifications, that you can toggle it on and off, and you can also set the timeout for the heads up notifications. The default value here is 6 seconds, which is a little bit longer. You also have the snooze timer, and also blacklist and do not disturb, which is a really nice feature. Under status bar, you get the normal bunch of customizations, such as battery status style, which will allow you to change the style of battery status in the status bar. And also you can have the clock in center, left side or right side. You can also include AM or PM, date style, and you can also have the brightness control feature, that is sliding on the status bar will increase or decrease the brightness, which is a really nice feature. You can also show notification count in the status bar. Traffic indicator is another very nice feature, which will show you the network activity in the status bar, which will show you the uploading and downloading speed of your internet connection. You can auto hide it, and you can also set the update interval and also display unit, which are in bits per second or bytes per second. You can also customize the color style for traffic indicators. So this is a very nice feature. So you also can customize wake lock blocker here. So toggling on this feature for the first time will show you an dialog box which will warn you to change the settings very carefully, because changing anything can make the device crash or may enter in boot loop. So that's the customizations that you get in this ROM. You also can customize the DPI of your phone under display and lights, and you also can have the signature double tap to sleep in the status bar, which is a really nice feature to have. So these are all features from expanded desktop is also present here. These are all features from cyanogen mode ROM. So Pacman is based on CM ROM. So every feature of cyanogen mode will be included in this ROM also. I will link the review video of CM 12.1 beta 4. So you guys can check that if you want. So that's the customizations that you get in Pacman ROM. So talking about the battery life, I get about 3 hours of screen on time with 30% battery remaining in a 10 hours of usage, which is a really good backup. So talking about the bugs, this ROM does have some major bugs in it. So I have told you guys that I was forced to make this review today, and the reason is some of the annoying bugs. So I have encountered some bugs in this ROM, and I will talk about this now. First of all, I have encountered some YouTube bug, that you cannot play any video in YouTube or any other application other than Chrome. You can only play videos in Chrome. In all other applications, it shows an error, and you also cannot play any GIF files in this ROM. So that's a really annoying bug. And you also cannot have 3G in your SIM too, as this is based on CM 12.1 beta 3, which does not have port for 3G in SIM 2. So that's another bug in this ROM. And there is also another bug that when you reboot your device, it takes about 5 minutes for it to get connectivity. uh, so it's really annoying. You cannot get connectivity up when you reboot your device for about 5 minutes. And sometimes you also cannot place calls or receive calls in this ROM. That's the major reason why I am making a review of this ROM within 3 days, because I was using it for the past 3 days and I have missed many calls, and I was also not able to make some calls. So sometimes, so not sometimes, many times, even though we have network, the network quick toggle will show you no SIM cards. You guys can see that it's showing no SIM card now, but we have connectivity now. So that's also a small bug. So there are some very annoying bugs as well as some small bugs in this ROM. Other than that, it's really fast and smooth. Um so that's it, guys. Like and subscribe my channel, and also stay tuned for more reviews, and check out my channel for more custom ROM reviews and app reviews, etc. So bye.